Hello students. Today in this video we are going to discuss the third chapter of accountancy of class 12th, reconstitution of partnership firm, admission of a partner. Today in this video we are going to discuss the topic sacrificing ratio. The ratio in which the old partners agree to sacrifice their share of profit in favor of the incoming partner is called sacrificing ratio. It means whenever a new partner comes into the firm or is being admitted to the firm, new partner gains a share in the new profit sharing ratio, whereas the old partners are going to sacrifice their share of profit in favor of the incoming partner. When the old partners are going to sacrifice, then only the new partner is going to gain the share. So whenever a new partner is being admitted, we have to calculate sacrificing ratio. So as I've told you, sacrifice is the share that will be made by the old partners in favor of the new partner. So you can calculate the sacrifice of old partner as old share of profit of that particular partner minus new share of a profit of a partner. Means here you are going to deduct the new share of old partner from the old share of that particular partner. Like for example, if A, B and C are three partners, clear? Or you could say they are equal partners. So the ratio between them, old ratio between them will be 1:1:1. Now, if D is admitted to the firm and the new profit sharing ratio between A, B, C and D is 5:3:2:2. So from the old share of A, we are going to deduct the new share of A. From the old share of B, we are going to deduct the new share of B. From the old share of C, we are going to deduct the new share of C. So this is how we are going to get the sacrifice share of a old partner. Now this sacrifice will be made by the old partners in favor of the new partner, because the new partner is going to bring additional amount to compensate the old partners. The ratio is normally clearly given as an agreed among the partners which could be the old ratio, equal sacrifice or a specified ratio. It means how the old partners are going to sacrifice their share in favor of the new partner, it will be clearly stated in the books or in the question. It may be they may sacrifice equally, it may be they can sacrifice in an agreed ratio or a specific ratio. The difficulty arises where the ratio in which the new partner acquires a share from the old partner is not specified. Instead, the new profit sharing ratio is given. In such a situation, the sacrificing ratio is to be worked out by deducting the each partner's new share from his old share. So, if it is not given in the question how the sacrifice has been made by the old partners in favor of the new partner, where you have been given with the old share and the new share of the partners, then in that circumstances you are going to deduct the new share of the partners from the old share of the partner to calculate your sacrifice share. So here we are going to discuss how we can calculate the sacrificing ratio. Now you can see in the example, Rohit and Mohit are partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio 5:3. It means Rohit and Mohit are two old partners who are sharing their profits in the ratio 5:3. They admit Bijoy as a new partner for 1/7 shares in the profit. New partner has been admitted for 1/7 shares in the future profit. The new profit sharing ratio will be 4:2:1. Okay, or you could say the new profit sharing ratio is 4:2:1. Calculate the sacrificing ratio of Rohit and Mohit. So in this question you have been given with the old ratio 5:3. You have been given with the new share between Rohit, Mohit and Bijoy as 4:2:1. And in this question you are being required to calculate your sacrificing ratio of Rohit and Mohit. So whenever we are asked to calculate the sacrifice ratio, it will be between the old partners, because new partner is going to gain the share in the future. Now, to calculate your sacrificing ratio, first we have to calculate the sacrifice of each partner, or you could say the sacrifice of old partner. Now in case of Rohit, the old share is 5/8, or 5/8 is the old ratio of Rohit, and the new share of Rohit is 4 ratio or 4/7, as it has been given in the text. So this is the old share and this is the new share of partner. So what we'll do, you have been given with the old share 5/8, you have been given with the new share as 4/7. So to calculate the sacrifice, first we have to calculate, for calculating a sacrificing ratio, first we have to calculate the sacrifice share. So Rohit's sacrifice will be old share. What it will be? Old share minus new share, because what they are getting previously and what they are going to get now. So if we will deduct from the old share the new share, you are going to get the sacrifice. So in this case, Rohit's sacrifice will be old share is 5/8 and the new share is 4/7. So when we will deduct 4/7 from 5/8, we will get 3/56. So this will be sacrifice of Rohit. The same way, Mohit's old share, as it has been given 3/8, because the ratio is 5:3, Mohit's share is 3/8. Whereas in case of new profit sharing ratio, the new share of Mohit is 2:7, or 2/7, sorry. So 2/7. So what we'll do, we'll apply the formula sacrifice is equals to old share minus new share. So here in this case, Mohit's sacrifice will be 3/8 old share minus 2/7, that is your new share, and it's coming 5/56. Now you got your sacrifice of Rohit, and now you get the sacrifice of Mohit. Rohit sacrifice is 3/56, whereas the Mohit sacrifice is 5/56. So with the help of this sacrifice of Rohit and Mohit, you can calculate the sacrificing ratio now. So the sacrificing ratio will be 3/56 ratio 5/56, or simply you can write as 3:5. So remember one thing, to make the ratio, your denominators should be same. As in this case, the denominator is 56. So you can write them as 3/56 ratio 5/56, or simply you can write them as 3:5. If your denominators will not be same, first we have to make the denominator same, then only you can write the ratio. So here the sacrificing ratio is 3:5. So this is how you are going to calculate your sacrificing ratio as per this question. Now you have been given with the another example. Let's take this example. Amar and Bahadur are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. So they are two partners, Amar and Bahadur. They are sharing their profits in the ratio 3:2. They admitted Mary as a new partner for 1/4 share. The new profit sharing ratio between Amar and Bahadur will be 2:1. Calculate their sacrificing ratio. So this is the question, and as per this question you have to calculate the sacrificing ratio. Now how you are going to calculate it? Let's see. As we have already discussed how to calculate new profits of the partner or new profit sharing ratio of the new partner along with the old partners. So in this case, first we have to calculate the new share of Amar and Bahadur. Now how you are going to calculate it? As it has been given in the question that they admitted Mary as a new partner for 1/4 share in the future profit. The new profit sharing ratio between Amar and Bahadur will be 2:1. Now when the new profit will be there, how Amar and Bahadur in between them going to share their profit is 2:1. So to calculate new profit sharing ratio in this case, first we have to assume the complete share be as 1. As we have already discussed, what we have to assume? We have to assume the complete share be as complete share be as 1. So the first thing that has to be done by us, or what we are going to do, that we have to assume the complete share be 1. Out of this complete share 1, we are going to deduct the share of new partner, that is 1/4, to get the remaining share of Amar and Bahadur. So the next step will be, we are going to deduct 1/4 means the share of Mary from the complete share. So 1 minus 1/4. So it's going to give you 3/4. So 3/4 is the combined share of Amar and Bahadur in new form. And now it has been clearly stated in the question that they are going to share the future profit amongst them as in the ratio 2:1. So this 3/4 will be now distributed among Amar and Bahadur in the ratio 2:1. So now from here you are going to calculate the new share of Amar and Bahadur. Now what will be the new share of Bahadur now? Out of 3/4, the combined share, Amar is going to get 2/3, as the new ratio between them will be 2:1. So the new ratio or new share of Amar will be 2/4. The same way we are going to calculate for Bahadur, as the combined share is 3/4, and how he is going to share 1/3. So for him it will be 3/12, or you could say 1/4. Now we got the new share of Amar as 2/4, and for Bahadur it's 1/4, and for merit it has already been given as 1/4. So the denominator of all the partners new share is equal 4/4. So we can write the new share as 2 ratio. Now we can write as new share as 2:1:1. So this will be the new profit sharing ratio between Amar, Bahadur and Mary. Now we got the new share. We have already given with the old share. Now we have to apply the formula for sacrifice now. As I have already told, sacrifice is equals to old share minus new share. So you will apply this formula and you will get the sacrifice of Amar as well as of Bahadur. Now in case of Amar, the old share is 3/5. In case of Amar, it is 3/5, and the new share is 2/4. So with the help of this, you are going to get the sacrifice of Amar. The same way, you are going to get the share of the sacrifice share of Bahadur. Old share of Bahadur is 2/5, and the new share is 1 upon 4. So with the help of this, you are going to get the sacrifice of Bahadur. It's coming 3 by 20. Clear? And of Amar is 2 upon 20. So Amar sacrifice 2 by 20 and Bahadur sacrifice 3 by 20. As their denominator same, you can write the sacrificing ratio as between Amar and Bahadur as 2:3. So this will be the sacrifice ratio of Amar and Bahadur as per the question. So this is how you are going to calculate the sacrifice share as well as the sacrificing ratio of the old partners as per the given text. Now we can understand it better with the help of another example. Let's take the another example. It has been given in the text, Ramesh and Suresh are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 4:3. So you have been given with the old ratio of Ramesh and Suresh as 4:3. Means the old share of Ramesh is 4 by 7 and of Suresh 3 by 7. They admitted Mohan as a new partner. Their profit sharing ratio of Ramesh, Suresh and Mohan will be 2:3:1. Calculate the gain or sacrifice of old partners. So here you have been asked with a new thing, that is gain. Now when we talk about gain, sometimes it may happen that when a new partner is being admitted to the firm, clear, it's not necessary that the old partners are always going to sacrifice. It may happen that some of them may sacrifice and even the old partner may gain. And how we are going to ascertain it? Let's take this example. Now we have been given with the old share and we have been given with the new share. And as we have already studied the formula to calculate your sacrifice, the formula is old share minus new share. So in case of Ramesh, the old share is 4 by 7 and the new share is 2 by 6. Clear? So it's coming so it's coming 10 by 42. Clear? So the sacrifice of Ramesh is coming 10 by 42. How? The old share minus new share. So we have taken the LCM of 7 and 6, it's coming 42. Then by calculating, we are getting it 10 by 42. The same way, we have to calculate it for Suresh. Now in case of Suresh, the old share is 3 by 7, whereas the new share is 3 by 3 by 6. Clear? What is? It's 3 by 7 minus 3 by 6. So by taking LCM, it's 42, 6 3 ja 18, 7 3 ja 21. So it's coming negative 3 by 42. What does that mean? It means when we are applying the formula for sacrifice, that is old share minus new share, and if it's coming negative, that means that particular partner haven't sacrificed, that partner has gained. So this particular partner Suresh has gained the share in the new partnership. Clear? So here only, clear, only Ramesh has sacrificed. Clear? Now so the sacrifice that has been made by Ramesh is 10 by 42, and the gain, I'm saying gain that has been made by Suresh is 3 by 42. Clear? So for gain, your formula is new share minus old, just the opposite of sacrifice. So whenever we applying the formula for sacrifice, and if it comes negative, then you can clearly state that that particular partner or that particular old partner gains in the new profit share. Clear? So in future, that particular partner is going to gain in future profit.